Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to activate your RBC Royal Banking debit card. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So what you need to do basically is it can be done in a multiple ways, of course. The first method is heading over to the online banking and then sign into your account and then select your credit card on the account summary page, and it will ask you to like put in your credit card details where you can select activate my credit card and then follow the prompts, and that is how you can do it. Another method is heading over to www.rbc.com/activate. When you head over to this website, it will show something like this. So put in your like credit card number and click on start activation, and this will activate your card. And the last method is to call in this number, which is 1-877-900-5900, and this is for personal or business. But if you have a private banking, then you need to call 1-888-769-2585 and call them and let them know that hey, I have a debit card and I want to activate it, and they'll let you know how to do it. And these are the ways. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.